Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The general rule for cooking a large bird is about 20 minutes a pound. But these cooking times vary, depending on whether you begin with a turkey that is stuffed versus one that is not. A stuffed turkey will take up to 30 minutes more than one that is unstuffed.
Let's help you make your mark.
Roast the turkey in the hot oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Take the tray out of the oven, baste the bird with the pan juices and lay the bacon rashers over the breast to keep it moist. Baste again. Lower the setting to 180 degrees Celsius gas 4 and cook for about 2.5 hours, calculating at 30 minutes per kilogram, basting occasionally.
Take our lead.
Add water, wine or broth to about 1/8 of an inch high in the pan. You may need to replenish it during cooking. This will keep drippings from scorching. Toward the end of roasting, let the liquid evaporate so that the drippings can brown for about 15 minutes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.